Wow, my people. Yes, I'm here again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. Manners and respect, alright? Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that have been brought to my attention. And yes, these videos are being talked about on social media. Now, first things first. I am going to present a video to you that have been recorded within a country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago held on to two persons. It is said that police arrested or detained at least one of those two persons who had been held by the police, and I got the understanding that allegations had been made on social media about the nationality of at least one of those persons who had been held by the police, viewers and subscribers. And I also got the understanding that comments had been made on social media about how police officers, who you can see in the video, handled the situation, and also how one of those persons who had been held by the police behaved. You see what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can also let me know what you think. Now, please bear in mind that this video shows when police was pulling one of those persons who had been held by the police within Trinidad and Tobago, and in my point of view, the person was resisting, viewers and subscribers. See? So therefore, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
You out of time, man. You
Olha a filme, police officer, você.
No, I have to do that, boy. So me and you have beef right too, you know that? Me and you have beef right too. You see me driving, I want to give me ticket. You see that, like the officer chatting me, what? Chatting me. Man chatting, fucking me,
You curse it? I never curse. Not me curse.
What's up? One time. You done this?
Curse. Yes, my people, me hear the word curse in the video, viewers and subscribers. And based on some things that one of those persons who had been held by the police said, and you can also see and hear in the video, I got the understanding that the person was trying to explain that the person did not curse. You see me I say? Yeah. Don't get me wrong, you know. I know that law and order must be maintained, but I would like to know what you think about a situation like that, viewers and subscribers. You see? The video also clearly shows that one of those persons who had been held by the police was inside of a motor vehicle. Is it? I also got unconfirmed information about the whole situation, but me the kind of person, sometimes me not like to give you certain unconfirmed information. The video had been brought to my attention. I got the understanding that the video It's been talked about on social media because of certain things that you can see here in the video, like police pulling the person and the person was resisting, and other things as well, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so based on the things that you see and hear in the video, you can let me know what you think. Big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago, and I'm going to move on to another video. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person who had been caught on camera shoplifting. Now, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that this video had been put to certain places out there on social media to expose this person, in my point of view. So, may I say? Now, when it comes on to where and when the video be recorded, I don't have any confirmed information about that. You see me? Even though I got some form of information about that, but it's not confirmed. See? Anyways, the video is being talked about on social media. I'm going to present the video to you. You can also let me know what you think. And I don't support shoplifting, nor stealing, nor robbery in no form, no way, none at all. No, I don't support them things. Anyways, so some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. My people, it is very good and very, very wise to use soap and water to wash anything that you're going to drink and eat. Especially things where you buy out there, out in the public. Even when you have sitting in your own refrigerator, it's good to do the same thing too. You understand? Because you hear the thing now, my people. See? The video clearly shows where the person put certain things in the viewers and subscribers. And then the person there in the store touch certain things. See? Now remember, you have all different kind of virus and disease and them things that out there, my people. So you have to be very careful, alright? I'm not support no form of stealing, no shoplifting, no robbery. I don't support none of them things, and them things are wrong. You understand? So I got the understanding that that video had been put out there on social media to expose that person. And believe me, the whole thing look away. Alright, my people, you know what? Let me know what you think about that video. Alright? Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Big up.